Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Polycystic ovarian disease with infertility. Then, if for weight loss 5 to it, weight loss, you will have to advise the patient to undergo weight loss. If he if the patient could lose weight, 5 to 10% of patients will ovulate with weight loss itself. Then, if patient is still has anovulatory cycles, if the patient still has anovulatory cycles, first line drugs are ovulation inducing drugs. So drug of choice for infertility with polycystic ovarian disease is letrozole. Letrozole is an aromatase inhibitor. Other older drug of choice for infertility with polycystic ovarian disease is clomiphene citrate. Clomiphene citrate is selective estrogen receptor modulator.
thank you and thank you for watching.